System reset complete.
Hi, I am Elliot Viz and this is system test 6 of my fire alarm system in my shed. Now I call it system test 6 following on from my older videos. However, it is a new system, so you could regard it as system test 1 if you want to. Now in this video I will be testing my Bardix Zircon 1-zone conventional fire alarm panel, my Notifier BG10 pull station, my Banshee multi-tone sounder, what is set to French fire sound, my Faraday 6304B strobe, and my ESP rate of rise heat detector. Now regarding the panel, I got the panel on eBay for £30, and if you're wondering, I have got the battery outside the panel so I can easily disconnect it, and I've also put a silence switch in so I can silence the sounder but leave the strobe in operation. Anyway, I shall first test the pull station, and here goes. And as you can see, there is a fire condition in the panel, so I shall silence the sounder, and if I enter the code I can mute the panel. I shall now reset the pull station. And if I go back to the panel, enter the access code again, and I can now reset the system and put the silence switch back to normal. I shall now test the heat detector on the ceiling, and here goes. And as you can see, the strobe is flashing. And once again, I shall reset the panel 4415 followed by pressing reset. And now the system is back to its normal state. And that pretty much concludes system test 6. Now, in the future I'll be getting a smoke detector and adding it to this system. However, for now can I say thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.